Hello students, good morning. Today we will study the next theorem based on the circle. Yesterday on the last video we had studied and we had seen theorem number 3 and 4. Today we will see the next theorem, that is theorem number 5 of circle. This theorem states that if there is two chords in the circle such as AB and CD, I have drawn here for a circle with center O, there is two chords AB and CD, and if these two chords are equal, the first condition is given here, if these two chords are equal, two equal chords, then if it is equal, then it must be at the equal distance from the center. It means the distance of these chords, distance means always it would be perpendicular. Okay, so the distance of these chords from the center must be equal. So what we will have here, it is given that AB is equal to CD. Two chords are equal. This part is given here. What to prove? We need to prove that these two chords are at an equal distance from the center. Let it be as M and this one will be as N. Then we have to prove here that OM will be equal to ON. These things we need to prove. In order to prove that these two lines are equal or these two perpendicular distance from the center to the chords are equal, at first we need to do some construction. So for that, at first write here proof. Then in the construction, join either of the point of this chord, either of the end of these chords from the center. One I will join for this one. From this side also, OB also you can join or OA also you can join based on you. I have joined OA. For this chord also, I will join OC. I will write here, join OA and OC. Now, since these are perpendicular, then from the theorem number 1, what we had studied, the line perpendicular from the center to the chord bisect the chord. It means whatever it will be the length of this chord, OM will bisect the chord. Yes, then we will write here, we have AB is equal to CD. It is given. So in maths we need to do any of the operations both sides. So what we will do, we will divide both sides by 2. This implies AB divided by 2 will be equal to CD divided by 2. AB by 2, half of AB must be equal to AM. Why? Because OM will bisect the AB. It means it will become AM. Similarly, half of CD will become CM. Let it be equation 1. Now we will take these two triangles. What we will write? Now, in triangle OMA and triangle ONC, what we will have here? OA equal to OC, that is radii for both the triangles. Another one that we will have here, that AM equal to CN, we had found in equation 1, that we will write as a region. The last one is given there, angle M is equal to angle N, that is equal to how much? 90 degree. Now we are looking up here, it is 90 degree. Opposite of the 90 degree is equal to hypotenuse and one base is here, that is one side. So we can say by RHS both the triangles are congruent. So we will write triangle OMA is congruent to triangle ONC. If these two triangles are equal, therefore by CPCT, what we can say? OM is equal to ON. That only we need to prove. This is our fifth theorem. Next theorem is just opposite to this one. In the next theorem, it would be given that if the distance of two chords from the center will be equal, then the chords must be equal. That we will see. The last theorem, if distance of two chords from center of a circle are equal, then chords will be equal. It is just opposite to that one. It means what is given here, given part is OM equal to ON for the same figure, and what we need to prove, that is AB is equal to CD. This one we need to prove here. Same way we will do some construction and we will make it congruent both the triangle, that whatever triangle we would have that time, same one. In the proof, at first we will do one construction. In the construction we will join OA and OC. Construction, join OA and OC. Afterward, in both the triangle, what we will do? We will make it congruent. We will write here in triangle OMA and ONC. Same way, OA equal to OC, that is radii. Next one is given OM equal to ON, that is given. The last one is angle M equal to angle N, that is 90 degree. Now with the same process by RHS, we will write therefore by RHS triangle OMA is congruent to triangle ONC. Therefore what we can write? By CPCT, AM equal to by CPCT AM equal to CM. But we need to prove AB equal to CD. So what we will do? We will multiply both sides by 2. This implies 2AM equal to 2CM. And according to second theorem, what we had learned, that any line perpendicular will bisecting the chord. It means 2AM will be equal to AB and 2CN will be equal to CD. And hence it's our theorem that is proved. In the next video we will see the next theorem based on the angle subtended at the center and the circumference and cyclic quadrilateral. Thank you.